Let's see how OpenGate XR works, the first mixed reality builder developed by Metagate. First, create a scene. To do that, click the first icon in the toolbar, choose a slot and name your scene. Then, press Load. In the free-to-use version, you can access standard items. You can preview them and spawn them in your scene. Once selected, grab the item with one hand, resize it with two hands, and place it wherever you like in your real environment. To add your own items and avatars, register from the headset and sign up on the OpenGate web app. Once you're signed up, go to OpenGate XR and choose one of the two options. OpenGate Upload to upload your items from phone or computer, AI Avatars to create your custom avatar and write or upload its knowledge. Once everything is uploaded on the web app, go back to your headset. In the cloud section, you'll find all the items you uploaded in real time, ready to interact with, just like the standard ones. In Manage Scene, you can control all items in your scene. Realign them on the Y-axis. Toggle visibility and interactivity, or delete them. In the Avatar section, you'll see all the avatars created via the web app. Select the one you want and click Spawn to place it in the scene. To interact with the avatar, approach its panel, think about your question, and press Ask a Question.
Hi, who are you?
I am Angel. A gentle and kind being here to support and forgive is my purpose. How can I assist you today?
Everything we've explained also applies to 2D objects. They will automatically appear inside the digital frames and can be interacted with just like the other items. In Manage Scene under Appearances, you can also change the color of the digital frame. You can even apply a visual filter to the scene. When you're done, click Save to keep your work safe. That's it! We cannot wait to see what you will create with OpenGate XR.